So what about exchanges delegating their Tez, they staking to existing bakers? Hi, my name is Phil Champagne of Hayek Lab, and this is Tez Minute. And I'd like to bring up to you another possible cases that could be considered by exchanges. Now, many of the big exchanges so far, what have they decided is to acquire their own Tez, create their bond pool, and then those who are keeping their Tez with them on their exchanges are basically having them as being staked with these exchanges like Coinbase, for example. Now, what I would like to bring up as another possibility is where an exchange decide to allow their currency holders of Tez to actually choose a baker, or that they basically these exchanges will say, well, no, I'm going to be a portion of our Tez that we are holding, instead of ourselves doing any of the staking and baking, will be staking to existing bakers like Hayek Lab and other companies out there. So that'll be a promotion a little bit more of decentralization, because if you think about Fidelity, for example, if they ever decide to be also into Tezos and having institutional money basically investing in Tezos, imagine if they actually are spreading their wings into delegating passively the staking to a myriad of bakers, rather than having all those concentrated big money in their own bakery. So that'll be a promotion of decentralization that will be beneficial. Anyway, this is just a concept I wanted to bring up like that. It's up to, we'll see what is going to happen, but it's a thought. All right, so take care and happy investing.